Out here with my boy Danny. Look at him, so tiny. Yeah, just came from the tire shop. Gee, got some tires on here. Put on the Genesis. What's up, Danny? Alright guys, so we're here about to do the brakes on the Genesis. We have it up on 4 jack stands right now. I have my boy Danny here with me. We're going to change the brakes and possibly put on the wheels, the summer wheels on the car. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to get to removing the stuff now. Right, Danny?
Yes, sir.
Alright, probably going to start on the front here. So let's get to it. So we're going to remove the wheels, then take off the brakes, and then go from there.
Yeah,
Alright, help you bold. Alright, so as you can see, the new ones, the right size. Yeah, so as you can see, you put the new rotors back on. Now I'm going to take out the old brake pads and then put in the new ones. So I'll get to doing that. So to get the old pin out, I'm gonna tap it up. Yeah, where's the pliers?
nice.
Still had a little bit left.
That one looks a little bit more.
No, that's okay. Definitely need the brakes though. There you go.
Soon we're gonna do my truck.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Soon we're gonna have to do my truck.
Always have to make sure, you know. You check it. How's the front one done? Everything back together. All the pins in. Now to move to the rear one here. See how that goes.
You gonna do the springs too?
Might as well. I'm out of here.
One hour later.
Alright, so to get the rear brake caliper off, I had to take out the strut and the spring so I could get to the bottom bolt easier because it was a pain in the backside. So now I'm gonna take out the pins, take out the pads, remove the rotor, and put the new ones in. So here we go. So I stripped one of the bolts, so I'm gonna use one of those extractors to get one of the screws that's holding the the rotor in. So I'm gonna use this to get it out. Sweet dreams are made of these. Screw it. I'm just gonna drill it out. So that's the left side done. Put everything back in. fresh brake pads, fresh rotor in the back and the front. So actually installed the lowering springs, so have the ones on the front already. They're already in. Yeah, they were already in, so brakes done. Time to move to the driver's side. So there's gonna be a quick time lapse of working on the driver's side. I'm not gonna record it. Look at this guy. Huh? Look at this guy. Alright, so brakes are done. Oof, what a job, man. Brakes are done, as you can see, yeah, brand new. And I put on the wheels. Gonna take it off the jack in a second. I didn't get to record everything because camera died. So this is what it looks like when it's still off the ground. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I take it off the jack stands. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the wheels, new wheels and tires. Alright guys, and that's it for this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.